The Fixing Country Roads program is building, upgrading and improving roads all around regional Victoria. Whenever I'm travelling around regional Victoria, people are always telling me they don't care whether the road is operated by Regional Roads Victoria or whether it's a local government road. They just want their roads to be fixed and in good condition, and that's exactly what this fund is all about. Under round one, every regional or rural council secured funding to either upgrade or improve a vital road in their local area. Roads like this one are now safer and wider for every driver who travels along them every day. Round one is upgrading 20 intersections, widening 45 kilometres of road and rebuilding another 35 kilometres. Together, we're making improvements to bridges and sealing almost 30 kilometres of gravel road. We've partnered with local councils to deliver all of these projects for local communities. And we're not done yet. Another round of projects will soon be underway. More upgrades, more improvements, keeping our local roads safe and well connected.